So in your case, and that was actually going back where you say they come into the office. There are a lot. I would say the loan officer, in many cases, is probably, I'm trying to think, probably the only person through the transaction that in many scenarios never actually meets the client.
Right.
Because the home inspector will meet the client when they do the home inspection. Of course, they meet the real estate agent. They meet the title company the day they go to sign. I guess they don't meet the appraiser, but take us back to that meeting, because there are a lot of loan officers that, whether it's needed or not needed, obviously you're doing it, and maybe that's just for a service, or maybe you're finding value. Either way, it's really cool, because it is a step. It is an individual that the buyers, they're sending all this private information to some individual who they may never even ever meet. So why do you guys, if you don't mind me asking, have a in-office meeting?
It's a great opportunity to build rapport.
Cool.
Some of the listeners may, in their minds, think that the lender guy is sort of this dishonest, slimy person that it's sort of, they have a negative connotation,
Yeah.
Probably from the financial recession
Oh,
that occurred,
sure.
and there was a lot of dishonesty there, and mistakes were made for sure, but it's just a great way to build rapport and to know who your clients are, and gain a greater level of trust. Not every client can, and not every client wants to.
Sure.
That's the truth. But whenever possible, we like to meet them in person, because we want to know who they are.
Yeah. Very cool. Okay.